my Minkies, who loves chocolate brownies? Oh my gosh, I do. Normally I start off by showing you guys the ingredients, but I have already got started because Minky's on the roll, let me tell you. So I'm gonna tell you all the ingredients that I use. I had half a cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so as far as the butter and the salt goes, I did not use the salt for this recipe because the salt was already in my butter. Now, if you want to use the salt, I would suggest using unsalted butter. So just want to make that clear, guys. So I then already got this mixed up, and what I'm gonna add into this is some little chocolate chips to make it a little bit more chocolatey, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get our baking dish together, and I'm gonna show you guys what baking dish I'm gonna use. I believe this is the 8x8 baking dish. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, because I cannot see at the bottom of this pan what it says, but I think that's what it is. For this recipe, we're gonna use this. It's the small little square pan instead of the long horizontal one. So we're gonna go ahead and pour our batter into this dish. Okay, so I poured the brownie mixture, everything into this pan. It's like really perfect. I did perfect with this one. So and I wanted to add, oh guys, I forgot to add that the ingredients that I told you, I doubled that for this pan. So it would have been less if it would have been just those ingredients that I told you about, but I doubled that recipe, so that's why it's so much. But I wanted it to be like this, so just wanted to make that clear, guys. And these are the milk chocolate chips that I will be adding into the brownies, guys. I love this brand. So we're gonna go ahead and add it in. Okay, so I added the chocolate chips on top. Now, if you wanted to, you can honestly add it like within the mixture, but I just added it on top instead. Because, you know, what if my son really wanted these brownies? What if he didn't want it like actually in the brownie, just maybe just on top maybe? And plus it melts. So it's gonna melt. So I wanna see how it comes out like that. But that way it'll just be melted on the top and you get the brownie at the bottom of it, if you know what I'm saying. But we're about to put it in the oven. Heat your oven to 350 degrees. And we're gonna put it in the oven and I'll be back. Also, you put it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how long it takes to cook, because sometimes the middle takes a while to cook. So it depends on if the middle is cooked or not, on how long, but typical 25 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and taste the brownie. Do y'all see that? Oh, y'all probably don't see the chocolatey stuff on it, but I'm giving y'all a bite. Really good. Make sure y'all subscribe, share for the world to see. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for more recipes, guys. Bye bye, my Minkies.